Welcome to zkCLOB, the most private and secure order book exchange. In this video, we'll walk you through how to trade peer-to-peer and buy or sell crypto and fiat anonymously with no KYC and full control. From your dashboard, hover over the trade menu and select P2P. This takes you to the zkCLOB P2P interface. Here you can browse buy or sell orders for stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Now let's create a new order. Choose the asset you want to sell and the fiat currency you want to receive. Select a listing type. Full match order must be filled by a single trader. Split match order can be filled by multiple traders. We'll leave it on full match for this example. Set the price per token. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You'll see your available balance here and can deposit more if needed. Add your payment method, such as an IBAN. Be sure this is accurate, as buyers will use it to send fiat directly to your bank account. Add additional terms if needed. Click Next, review your order details, and submit. Your listing is now live under the P2P Orders tab. Now let's switch to another account and see the buyer's side. Go to Trade, P2P, and browse active listings. Click Buy on the order you want. Enter the amount of GBP you want to swap, then click Next. Review any additional terms from the seller. If all looks good, confirm and connect with the seller via private chat. The chat lets both sides discuss details, confirm transfers, or ask questions before proceeding. Now, assuming that we already made the bank transfer, let's go ahead and confirm. Here you can upload a transfer receipt or proof of payment and a reference code for the transaction. Once this is done, the system will start counting down from 60 minutes. If this time passes and the seller doesn't confirm that they received the payment, you will be allowed to dispute this order and zkCLOB support will intervene. Switching back to the seller's account, the seller can chat with the buyer, cancel the trade and dispute the buyer's claim, or confirm that the fiat payment has been received. Only confirm after you receive funds in your bank account. A screenshot or buyer's confirmation is not sufficient. Once the seller confirms, the funds are instantly and irreversibly released to the buyer, and the order is now marked as complete. On the buyer's dashboard, the balance is updated. Under Assets, we now see 104 USDT. More order details can be located under the P2P Orders History tab. That's it. You've just completed a P2P trade with full privacy on zkCLOB. No KYC, no email, no phone number, just direct crypto fiat trading, end-to-end encrypted.